Hi, my name is Michael Robinson. I just wanted to do a quick little demo showing off the home automation system that I've been working on. So first we have a little device that is quite literally just a black box, but I have a microcontroller and a relay in there to be able to control just whatever's plugged into it. As many fire code violations as I have, that's probably okay, I guess. But so I have it be able to go from just a little web app I have. So once we log in, it'll show up, and I have that one labeled as the bedroom light. So I can go ahead and toggle that without a problem, which is nice. That's really just kind of the most basic thing. I have another thing here, which is the other device showing up, which is the bedroom temperature humidity sensor, which is, so this is the microcontroller, the same one I've been using on all of my devices. And we have a temperature humidity sensor and our little RFID reader to be able to help get it connected to the internet, as I'll show you in a second. So that's just showing up some real-time data. Anytime that changes, we'll see it on the client. Then I have another one here that I have not connected this yet. I just pulled this off. I just loaded the firmware. It doesn't know anything about Wi-Fi credentials or anything else. So I'll show you the process of doing that using an RFID reader. So once I plug it in, sure would help if I could see. Okay, here we go. That took longer than it should have. It's gonna go ahead. It's flashing like crazy, unlike this one, because it is looking. It knows it's not connected to Wi-Fi, and it is just letting us know that there's something needs to be done about it. So on this, this is actually just an RFID card. You might be able to see a little bit the antenna in there. I already have it loaded with my Wi-Fi credentials and the address of my server, so I can go ahead and scan it, which the light will immediately calm down because it's going to connect. So over here, because we're using WebSockets and whatnot, and it'll automatically show up, which is nice, and it's labeled as bedroom humidifier. And then we can plug in the actual humidifier to be able to toggle that on and off. Unless, my relay doesn't want to work for me because my wiring is, well, I'm not an electrical engineer, but so there's that. That's cool to be able to turn it on and off from my phone, I guess, but it would be nice if we could just kind of keep the humidity at a constant temperature. So I have a little thing of being able to create, or a little technique I came up with to be able to have create triggers based off of some sensor to be able to control the state of another device. So I can come in here, and so this is the humidity sensor. We'll go ahead and choose it, and I want to say if the humidity in the room goes above, let's say 45%, I think is considered comfortable. Then we're going to go ahead and choose another component of anyone that's on the list. And why would I control lights? It doesn't really make much sense. So we'll choose humidity, the humidifier component on there, and we'll set it to false. So if it goes above 45%, we're going to go ahead and disable it. And we'll do the same thing for if the temperature or the humidity goes too low. So we can come in, create a trigger for humidity, say if it goes less than, say 40%. I'll go ahead and set it to true, which should be turning it on. We can create that. So now from there, and this has actually been thoroughly tested, we'll be able to, this device is only updating about every minute, so it'll go ahead and look. It'll say if it's in a different state, then we'll go ahead and turn it on or off according to what the parameters that we set ahead of time are. But it's kind of a nice start, I think, to being able to automate a home in this way. Just kind of, rather than just simply clicking buttons remotely, be able to define our own constraints and parameters to be able to have devices kind of start acting for themselves. But anyway, that was my little demo. Thanks for watching.